Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can enable or use the OTG in your device IQOO 90. So if in this device, if you want to enable the OTG or if you want to connect the USB with your device, you can easily do it just by following a few steps and tricks I will show you in this video. So before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can enable or use the OTG in your device. Let's watch it.